as a runner who's training for not one but 2 marathons later this year, I have been eagerly and patiently waiting for the new Nike Alphafly 3. And they've been a bit hard to find, but guess what? I finally got them, and not just any Alphafly 3s. If you can tell by the look of this box, then you'll know that these are the electric Alphafly 3. So let's unbox them. Look at that. Oh, wow, it comes with this little leopard looking bag. Wow, this is fun. Look at that. This is my new running backpack, I guess. Look at that. Enough about the bag. Let's get to the shoes. All right, so there they are. And as you may have seen anywhere else online, the sole matches the box, and of course the bag. It's a whole matchy situation here. Take a closer look. Stunning. I really am gonna feel like a leopard just running these. So if you're familiar with the Nike Vaporflies, they're gonna have the exact same laces. For example, here's the Vaporfly, and this kind of type of like very rugged laces. These have the exact same, which I really like, because once you tie them, they really do not get undone. All right, you can see the fly plate. There it is. This is what's going to allow you to go very fast, allegedly. I really have only done races on the Vaporfly. These are my old Vaporflies. These are the ones responsible for all my recent PRs. Thank you, Vaporflies. Mwah. These are dirty. These are supposed to be, I guess, better, I hope. Otherwise, why would they be so hard to get? But they really are super light. All right, let's put them on. There they are. These are clean, so do not mind that I'm putting them on top of my desk. I will say that compared to the Vaporflies, I really do like that when you tie the shoes, I really like that I'm able to tuck the lace kind of like behind this part here, like on top of the tongue, but kind of inside the shoe, so that it's not like flying around. And unfortunately, I don't get to do that with the Alphaflies. There is nowhere to, once they're tied, nowhere to like tuck the laces inside the shoe. Otherwise, it's going to be just there. Not a big deal, but you know. And yep, that's it. These are all my first impressions of the new Nike Alphafly 3 Electric. It should have been called the Leopard. I mean, let's just see how many more PRs I can get with these.